You guys did a great job with that choir. Jarvis, you're going places, man. Great job. I'm honored to be standing here and represent the senior class today. My name is David Dinkins, and I'm your 2024 senior class president. I want to start off by expressing my appreciation to the college administration, the president, Dr. Leroy Stagnus, the academic dean, Dr. Lewis Graham, the dean of student affairs, Dr. David Freeman, the faculty, the staff, and the students for supporting me and believing in my abilities to achieve my goals in life. Just always remember the theme for today and the year is believe, achieve, and succeed. You have what you need. I will begin a few words about how I'll embrace that theme. To begin, I want to give a special shout out to Ms. Abrams from the Office of Enrollment, Management, and Records. I think she believed in me more than I believed in myself at the time. All I knew is I wanted to expand my education. I always wanted to wear a shirt and tie and work in an office with AC. I got tired of waking up every day putting on steel-toe boots and working in extreme heat. But most importantly, I got tired of going through the struggle and barely making ends meet. I was just tired of being average, and I wanted more out of life. So I saved up about $30,000, which I used to pay off my previous school debt so I could attend Morris College. When I made that investment and decided to enroll into Morris College for the summer of 2021, Ms. Abrams was the first person I met. She made me feel like I was a part of the Morris College family, and I wasn't even enrolled into the college yet. I remember asking her a question that, excuse me, I apologize for that. She made me feel like I was welcome. I wasn't even enrolled in the college yet. I remember she asked me a question that most people in her position wouldn't typically ask a potential student. She asked, what was my interest in my free time? She asked about my hobbies. So what I would like the student body to do, just take 2 or 3 minutes to write down 2 or 3 things that you're passionate about, and make sure that your major and your minor are lined up with your passion. I responded to Ms. Abrams' question though. I responded that I love coaching, taking pictures, and editing videos. Ms. Abrams recommended that I major in mass communication and minor in recreation. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know what I was getting my hands into. I just agreed with her and said, yes, that sounds good. Just being eager to be a part of one of South Carolina's finest HBCUs. But once I did my research, I knew Ms. Abrams was adept to what she was doing. My summer schedule was simple: introduction to computers, college algebra, and New Testament. I felt like I only gave 100% to my studies at the time. It took dedication, perseverance, and time management. I realized giving 100% was just average though. So I locked in to my 120. Like my mentor, Eric Thomas, would say, beast mode. Once I locked into that 120, once you lock into that 120, you will feel the difference in your performance and in life. Morris College saved me. With earning Cadet 2023 Cadet of the Year, I'm thankful what the program embedded in me. Thank you, Dr. Stagnus, and thank you, Morris College. The ROTC program fueled me. It instilled leadership, discipline, and an opportunity at financial freedom. Now I eat, I sleep, and I breathe my academics. My son is counting on me. My mom is counting on me. My sisters are counting on me. My brothers are counting on me. I don't have days where I don't feel like giving 100%, 120%. I don't have days where I don't feel like giving 120. I promise you I will not leave without my degree. I will not leave without my goals and my dreams being reached. I will not leave this opportunity until I get what I came for, because I have what I need to succeed. There are 4 points that I would like you to remember. Point 1, give effort. Giving effort comes with pain, but once you get through that pain, it produces greatness. In the words of E.T., your pain doesn't last forever. It is temporary, and eventually it will subside. But if you quit, however, it will last forever. Don't let your pain break you. Let it redefine you. Point 2, sacrifices. Time is your most important commodity. Just remember, in order to be destined for greatness, you have to be down for the grind. I gave up sleep, time, and my comfort. What are you willing to give up? What are you willing to sacrifice? Some days I went 2 days without sleep just so I can make sure that I reach my goal. I'm not telling you to follow in my footsteps. Make your own steps in life. Follow your own journey, because no one's odyssey will be the same. Point 3, grow up.
All right.
Like Robert Kiyosaki would say, if you are afraid to make a mistake, you won't grow. So you learn from your mistakes. You learn from your losses. Make sure you learn a lesson from each mistake and or loss. Make sure that you accept responsibility and make the proper steps to correct them. Note, all the fruits from the bottom of the tree, all the fruits from the bottom to the top of the tree will be there. The cars, the money, the clothes, it's gonna be there. So focus on your purpose. Point 4, don't quit. Vince Lombardi once said, winners never quit and quitters never win. Don't cry to quit, cry to keep going. Make it through the pain. Never get in a place to where you're chilling or comfortable. Never get complacent. A lot of people will not be successful, not because they can't do it, it's just because they can't outlast their pain. If you keep showing up, eventually you will be at the end and achieve your goals. Find out who you are, find your purpose, find your why, and once you find that out, spend the rest of your life trying to achieve it. You already have what you need, make the necessary sacrifices. You have what you need, make the necessary sacrifices now so you could become who you want to now and in the future. Everybody wants to live like the 1%ers, but not everybody want to do what the 1%er does. If you want to be part of the 1%ers, and I'm pretty sure a couple of you in this room are not aware who the 1%ers are. The 1%ers are millionaires in this world. There's 1% of millionaires in the world right now today. And if you want to be a part of that, you can't do anything for the money. You have to be passionate about it. And you have to do it for the passion. Then once you do it for the passion, the money will chase you. So don't focus on the money, focus on the passion. Focus on being an expert at something. My journey at Morris College continues with great sacrifices. And I'm a graduated senior, taking full advantage of every opportunity, such as the job fairs. I'm currently working an internship for Education TV as a producer and director, doing something that I love to do. And I met Mr. Thomas Mayer, the Director of Administration of ETV at the job fair. Even as a freshman, look and start getting intern opportunities now. So when you become a senior, you're not looking for an opportunity. I say all that to say this to the student body. You have what you need to succeed. Make it work for you. No two individuals' journeys will be the same. Believe in yourself. Put in the work so that you can achieve your goals in life. I have a dream, and I'm going to make sure that I reach them. I have goals, and I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure that I reach them. I have a dream. Like Rod Wave, Rodarius, Marcellus Green would say, now I know the answers. Do dreams come true? Thank you.